Good morning and welcome back to my brand new video, vlog number 5. I just woke up and it is beautiful outside. We'll be heading out today shortly and let's see what we got today. Please hit that red subscribe button at the bottom. I'm planning inside Masonville Mall. I don't know, the music is too loud, but hopefully you can still hear me. So we'll go and explore the mall together. Just walking around the mall. It is quite crowded today, to be honest. Just maybe it's because it's Saturday. So I want to show you guys something I saw. Look at this. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section how do you like those Rolex. And we're gonna keep going around. Now let's come and check some shoes. So let's go down here in Foot Locker. Been a very long day. The mall is packed and it's been fun so far and we are still going around. I'm sorry I could not be vlogging a lot today, but I'm trying to capture as many things as possible. Alright guys, we are heading out of the mall right now one last time in Hudson Bay, and trust me, we are just heading out. I'm sure there's an exit from here. Not a bad Saturday to spend. Just heading out now. It's my best friend. And there is my best friend. Hello people, I'm just outside the mall and it's already very windy out. But we did have a good day inside. And probably we'll have stay tuned for more today. On the way to the parking lot to leave the mall. So bye bye Kitchener, very nice mall. It's my first time coming up here. I do love it.
The next day.
Everybody, good morning everybody, this is Manish. Welcome back to another video, or I should say I'm continuing yesterday's video. So welcome back to another day with your boy here. Alright, I'm just beginning my vlog today early morning and I'm just running on the hill. Oh my god, this is fun and cool at the same time. Holy, I've been running for a while. I was just scared to turn on my camera because I don't think it's waterproof. I don't know if it's snowproof. And you know the best part about running on the snow is if you're dehydrated, just open your mouth. I'm still running down in the snowy day, but look at what I came across here. This gentleman is the one who keeps a street clear of snow, and people like us can run in the morning though it's a snowy day. I'm gonna show you guys how it's actually done. Alright, I can hardly open my eyes. It is like freezing. Oh, okay, look at that. It's been a funny run! Oh my god, I'm cold. It's freezing! It's all about getting healthy today. So yeah, I'm running wherever I can. It is time to talk now. I do apologize to everybody that I did not upload my video for past 1 week now. Oh yeah, I mean past 1 week. And the reason I did not upload, I was worry, that does not have a good content. I might lose all my subscribers. Right now I have 100 subscribers thanks to you all who have subscribed, and those who have not subscribed and still watch my video, please go and hit the subscribe button. I promise you, every passing day my video will get better and better. And yesterday guys, I came across this wonderful line: better get it done than wait for perfection. So I'm not gonna wait anymore for a better content. I'm gonna shoot and upload any videos I record. So from now on, I'm not gonna be worried about if my content is better or not. What I shoot would be out there for you people to like or unlike it. And yes, you can be honest guys, if you don't like it, you can unlike it. I need some energy, let me drink some water. Oh yeah, that's much better. If you want your boy to keep running like this, even on a snowy day, running with a very heavy boot, keep liking this video and subscribe. Get me more subscribers. Yes, share this video on any social media you can, and tell your friends, family, and anybody you know to go and subscribe to my channel. If you want to do something, just do it. Don't bother what this guy has to say, what this girl has to say, what he has to say, what she has to say. Just listen to yourself, and the key word is believe in yourself and just do it. Oh yes, just do it. Oh yeah, it's time to go and watch the view from the top of the mountain. Okay, alright guys, to be honest, it's not a mountain. Look at that view. It's finally time to run back home. I don't know how far I can go, but I'm still full of energy, so I'm gonna make it home. I'm still running home, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm still full of energy.
A few moments later.
It's been fun, but I don't think I can run anymore. I'm sorry guys, those who are disappointed, but it's been like 5 miles I've run in total today. So I think that is enough. With this snowy, heavy boot, I think 5 miles is a lot. It's getting crazy windy now. I'm walking back home, and look who else is walking. Hi Jackie. The dog was barking at you, so you better subscribe to the channel right now. I got more company.
They're all really friendly.
I'm finally home with the same energy. It's time to say goodbye until my next vlog. Bye.